Welcome to my new video. This is Oche Mobile Tech, and today I want to teach you a simple trick on how you can change charging ports of Techno 528 with just your soldering iron and candle. This is a local method. If in case you don't have equipment, you can use this method to do your work perfectly. So I have gotten a new charging port, as you can see. So now you can see all the legs. This one here is the negative, this one, and the one by your left hand side here, like this, is the positive. You can see, you can see, you can see they have 5 legs. So this one I'm touching like this is the positive. So I'm bending it away from the body, and so the negative, now you're going to connect it to the body of the charging port. You are going to bend it to the body of the charging port because they are negative all together, which is the ground. So now you can see I have bent it to match the body of the charging port, since they are all ground, and it is the negative and this is the positive. As you can see, can you see it? The middle pins, which are the 3 remaining pins, are the data lines. So now let me zoom it now. So now I'm going to use my soldering iron, to apply my lead. Technicians, please take your time. Engineers, take your time and do your work. We'll do a very perfect job for your customers. So now I'm going to use my soldering iron now to apply my lead. Okay, I'm going to use my soldering iron now to apply my lead to the charging port, so that I can use my candle and mount it directly. So I'm using my lead now. First thing, I want to connect the negative charging line to the body of the charging port itself. So now I'm applying my lead now, so that it is firmly connected, so that there's no partial contact there. You can see, so that it doesn't go and come. So you can see I've connected it. Okay, so this is the way I normally connect my charging port for button phones, and it works perfectly. Okay, so that it doesn't make you to start bridging the remaining terminals altogether. So now I'm applying my lead now to the positive terminal. So now be careful so that I don't bridge it together with the body of the charging port. So I'm trying to take my time. So take your time. Make sure your soldering iron is very clean, so that it can help you to do the work perfectly. So I'm trying to apply. I don't want it to breach. That is why I'm doing it carefully. I don't want it to breach, because if it breach, it's not going to work. So I'm trying. Let me clean my soldering iron. So I've taken another one. So I've taken another one. The reason why I'm applying this lead before mounting it is that, so that once I apply the lead and I mount it, it's going to connect directly without heat. It's going to connect directly to the PCB directly without any stress. You can see it has breached to the body, so I'm trying to separate it. I don't want it to breach. I don't want it to breach. My dear technicians, take note. Don't allow the positive to breach to any connection, including the negative itself. When you are doing repairing or fixing charging ports, don't allow it to breach. Try your possible best to avoid it. Don't allow it to breach to any other connection or terminal out there. You can see it's not bridging. So I'm separating and I'm done. So now I'm done. So now I want to apply the lead to this middle. The reason why I applied lead to this middle here, as you can see, is so that when customers put the plug in the charger the wrong way, it's not going to open it. It's not going to open the charging port. That is the reason why I'm applying my lead. So this, you see, look at these two legs I'm pointing. You're going to apply your lead to those two legs also, so that once you mount it with your candle, it's going to melt directly to the PCB, so that it's going to hold firmly, so that your customer won't come and tell you that charging port you fix from here has broken or removed. You can see I've done a good soldering here, you can see. So now it's time for us to mount it with our candle. This is very simple, and this is a local method. It's very simple. If in case if you don't have the workstation, you don't have hot air gun, you can use this method to do your job perfectly. So now I've gotten my candle. I'm positioning my tripod stand so that it doesn't shake. So you can see, let me get my lighter. So putting in my fire now. So engineers, please be careful when using this method. Don't allow the panel to be touching the flames of the fire. Remove your keypad buttons, the keys, remove it so that it doesn't burn. You can see I'm removing mine now. So when using this method, don't allow the panel, the PCB, to be too close to the fire. Don't allow it to be too much on the fire, so that it doesn't burn the PCB. Okay, please, you have to be very careful when using this method. You can see I'm not putting it directly. There is a distance between the fire and the phone and the PCB. There is a difference. There is a space there. So you have to be conscious so that you don't burn the PCB. You can see I'm not putting it on the fire directly. You can see. If you watch very carefully, there's a space there. So be careful. Let your hand not shake at this point. Let your hand not shake. So if you don't have machine, you can use this method, okay? So I'm trying to let it melt, let the fire melt the lead on the old charging port so that I can remove it. You can see I'm trying, but it has not melted completely. So I'm taking it gently. I'm taking it gently. I'm taking it gently. So be patient. Don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush. My dear technicians, don't rush. Take it gently. And you can see I've removed it. I've removed it. So now I'm mounting the new one now. You can see. You can see. You can see. You can see I've mounted it. You might be wondering, why didn't I clean the terminal where I'm putting it? That is the reason why I didn't clean it, is because there is a flux there. That is the soldering paste that I applied. That is what is on the PCB like that. So I don't want to clean it up before I apply another one again. It's going to delay my time. So with that is good. You can see I'm done mounting it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done mounting the charging port. So you can see I've successfully changed the charging port like this. So I'm going to use my soldering iron again a little, just to connect the positive to the positive line, so that I can connect it so that it's well connected. Yeah. So you can see. So I don't want the video to be too long, so let me go straight. Okay. So now I'm connecting it. I'm connecting it. I will soon be done. I will soon be done. I'm connecting it now. My dear technicians, I'm connecting it now. Please be careful so that you don't bridge it to the body and then you start all over again. Okay. I'm connecting it now. I'm connecting it now. I'm going to show you when I'm done. I'm going to show you when I am done. I'm going to show you when I am done. Okay. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. You can see I'm done. You can see I'm done. I am done. I'm done. As you can see, I'm done. Okay. You can see it now. You can see it. I'm done. So now I'm going to test it for you now to see that it is working. So now this is my phone. Let me clean up the speaker because you can see some stones on top of the speaker. So I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. So let me get my battery now. So and plug in my charger. I'm not going to power the phone on, but let me plug in my charger first. You can see. You can see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Boom. You can see that it's charging. Wow. You can see. So this is the easiest method if you don't have equipment to fix charging port. You can use candle and your soldering iron easily. Okay. So thanks for watching this video and see you again in my next video. Bye bye for now, and please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I love you all.